Replacing the drift cutter. Warning: this is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Customers are encouraged to wear safety gloves when performing any maintenance. Let's get started. Always remove the batteries before doing any maintenance in or near the auger housing. Support the drift cutter and the bolts inside the auger housing. Loosen and remove the knobs. Remove the damaged drift cutter. Install the new drift cutter. Move the drift cutter to the desired position and tighten the knobs. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.